Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can change a 3D printing material in Cura Slicer. So basically go on this drop down menu and you'll see material, and basically you'll be able to select by brand or the generic one and select for ABS, ASA and etc. So I'll select PETG. Right here you can keep the changes or discard the changes. I will keep the changes, and basically you can change a temperature in the custom settings. So if you go to the material right here, I would recommend for PG put 230, and for the build plate 80. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.